Hey guys! Today's video I have for you is to make slime. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some slime, but I'm making bead slime. So yeah, and we're just gonna make it with white glue and fluffy, so we can make it really good. So you know things you need somewhere to mix in. I'm using this container. That's also a mixing place. You also need a spatula to mix your supplies. Obviously shaving cream to make it foam. Shaving cream to make it fluffy. If you want it quite stretchy, you can use some of this magic model clay. I'm gonna add a little tiny bit. And some glue. And I'm gonna add some of these glue to make a quite big one. Okay, so let's just get started with this things. Okay. Also water. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. This. If I can open this, so we're gonna add our stuff. Also lotion. I forgot to tell you guys, lotion makes it stretchy. And also, if you have this kind of glue, you can use some scissors to try to open it and then get some more glue. Okay, so I'm gonna get my scissors and try to cut this thing up so we can get more. Okay, well, that's better. Okay, so that's trash. Okay, so back to this. I'm okay. So I'm gonna add all my glue. The leftover I have. Okay, I'm gonna add some water. No, don't do this. No. Just, Jesus Christ. Come on, get out. Okay. I'm gonna add some water inside of this. Well, make sure you have something over it because you probably will spill like me. Just close this up. Just add a little bit and just do this. I'm gonna give you some extra glue out. Extra glue. See how many were in here? Okay, so I think that's enough. Now that's trash. Okay, so I'm gonna stir that in. Okay, so now it's for water. You can add water less amount that you have glue. Not the same amount because it'll be too watery. So yeah. Okay, so that's my slime. Also, you need activator. That's what I forgot, but I forgot something. It was activator. Your shaving cream. Yeah, I forgot activator. How would I forget activator? Activator is the most thing you need to make slime. Where's my activator? Yeah, where is it? I don't have it right now. Okay. Stir that up. had a spill. No, I don't want to. No. Oh my gosh, just had a spill. Okay, let's just clean this up. Ew. Just have a towel. Clean this up. I'm gonna put this towel on top of that. Okay. Okay, now we can stir it firmly. Much better. After we stir, we can easily take off the towel. And, yeah. Okay. Now, you need activator. I don't even know where my activator is at. So, I'm gonna add a little bit more shaving cream. Just little by little, not too much. Like, if you add too much, it's gonna be hard to stir everything in. Just like me. I'm so smart and I stirred it. Okay, slowly, gently stir. Okay, so I'll see you guys in part 2 to go ahead and finish this up. So yeah, I'll see you guys in part 2. Bye guys.